So what we just seen was simple adding calculator. Now we want to make a function. Okay, we want to make a function here, and there's a few different ways to do this. So here's the first way, right? What we're going to do is we're going to say function. So that's the, to give the keyword, we say def, which is kind of like definition or define a function. We need to give the function name. So I'm going to say add calculator, and you'll notice with my function names, I give a slightly different way how to do it here now. I give a slightly different thing. I kind of use this camel case for my function names. Now I'm going to put these two inside it. So indented so that they belong to the function. I'm also going to add the result. And I'm going to, let me see here. How are we going to do this? Let's do it this way. So we will say, we'll call, no, right. Yeah, so just get rid of that for the moment and let's see what happens. Even maybe just say inside the function, print result. Now run it and see what happens. Did anything happen? Not a thing. Why did nothing happen? You need to call the function. So the function is created, but you need to call it. So to call the function, all you do is you say, you give the name. And make sure you put in the curly brackets. This calls the function. Run it. And now the function has been called. Please enter number 1. Please enter number 2. And you get your answer there, which is just 10. Now we could have like put it in a bit nicer in our output or whatever the case may be. Right, so that is one way of using a function, but that's not really the way that somebody uses it. So can I show you here what we do? Take this out, put it down here before the function, and in the main program you might get the user to enter in the two numbers. Then what you would do is you would pass the two numbers to the function, which I'm now going to call x and y. The reason for, I can call it anything I want. So I'm doing one or two things in together here now. I'll keep that. Here we will, and finally print sum of the calculation is so. See if that works now. 4, 20, 24. Job done.